If you are interested to buy the material, below any video of my channel, below the video on the information field, you can find all my contact method, my Facebook page address, and my email address. Just send me message via Facebook page or send me an email for the detail will be okay. Okay, now let's get started for the tutorial. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my first idea about decorate our acrylic hook stand. I will decorate it with LED light, and on the following video I will show you other ideas about decorate our hook stand with other materials, and about how to assemble this hook. Please kindly find my old video. You can find the link on the information field. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, look at this. The string light training on the hook. And this is the battery. Talking about the battery, if you're using on an event, I recommend you to select this type of battery, or maybe UPS charge will be perfect, but at least please select this battery, because the light can turn off. The power will be much more full to support the light to maintain for a long time. Of course, you can use this button battery, but actually the power is not quite enough than this kind of the battery. Of course, by using the UBS, I know USB charger will be perfect, but at least please use this battery. Okay, then let's turn on the light. Look at this. Let me put it in the middle of the table and check the effect. Okay, look at this table. This table design is for my other tutorial. Before I make this tutorial, I just make another tutorial for the idea about decorate the table with fabric and our flower support wire and flowers. If you are interested, you can check the old video. So after I take the video for this idea, and then I make this tutorial, so I can put them together, so you can check the effect. Okay. Let me turn off the light. Oh. Okay, anyway, let me use this cell phone to take the picture. Actually, the color is not that white, it's warm white. The environment actually is very romantic, but the film cannot take the reality, the real environment. Anyway, let's go on. Look at the light. Because we are using the transparent acrylic material, the light will be much more bright. Compared with the effect will be different with the hook made with hula hook or other metal materials. This is the difference. Okay, I turn on the light. It's so pretty that I cannot show you the real effect, but actually it's very beautiful. Okay, anyway, look at the flower garland. How about we move the flower garland on the hook? Let's check the effect. Let's go.